Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, it's a great weekend. It's a beautiful day. Today I'm going to show you that humans and robots can get along just fine and work together great. Let's go! So my robot mower from Lymow has trust in me. We have a good relationship together. Why does it trust me? Well, I'll tell you why. Because I take care of cutting the parkway strips for it. So it doesn't have to worry about going in the street, falling off the curb, getting run over and smashed by a car. See? It's a trust relationship we got going on here. In case you're wondering, I have Floritam St. Augustine grass up here in northeast Florida. I have my lawnmower set, my robot lawnmower by Lymow, set to do 2 passes of perimeter. After it's done with the 2 perimeter passes, it will go into an optimized pattern, stripe pattern, cutting the inside of the zone of my yard. The only thing that sucks about it is I have to manually change the direction of that pattern every time. It doesn't have a randomized pattern like some other robot mowers do. But it's a very minor gripe. Now, St. Augustine grass, you ask. You have to keep that at a high height of cut, correct? Yes, true. But as you can see, mine looks a little bit tighter because I cut mine at 3.5 inches with the regular push mower you see over here by Ego. And I have it at a clean, tight like a tiger, 3.4 inches on my Lymow robot mower. And it is doing very well. So, going on 2-3 weeks now with my Ego multi-head tool, but specifically using the roto cutter, the scissors. And I must say, I don't have any complaints about this bad boy. Here I am cutting those edges while my robot mower is taking care of the rest of it. But in this case, I'm just cutting the driveway edges and the sidewalk here. And you'll see in a moment how tight and crisp and clean those edges come out. No weed whacker is going to provide results like that for you. Take a moment. Take a gander. You tell me, how do you get your edges nice and tight, clean, and crisp? Let me know in the comments. Just look at that driveway edge right there. The only reason I didn't extend my driveway to have a full section to park a 3rd car there for the 3-car garage was because of how cool that curvy look is. Just a nice design cue, right? But look at that edge. You just can't argue with it. Alright, here's another shot of the Lymow robot mower doing its thing and cutting in a diagonal formation, nice and clean, no hiccups, no getting stuck, just perfectly straight lines. Right now you can't really see the lines, but in certain lighting, especially during the sunset, it actually gives a good striping effect on this Floritan St. Augustine grass.